Astronomer Gus Johnson likes the quiet and the dark. But weather conditions are working against him this night near his home in Maryland.
Well, Jupiter went behind a cloud, so we have the moon.
Johnson has been watching stars for 50 years. He remembers hundreds of star positions, and he loves to share what he knows.
That planet has a diameter 11 times that of the Earth.
In 1979, Johnson discovered a supernova, or exploding star. Scientists now believe his supernova is the newest and nearest black hole.
That's the supernova right there. When I came to M100, there's this other little star. For some reason it caught my attention. I don't know why. And later on I checked a photograph, and it wasn't on the photograph. And that proved to be the supernova SN 1979C.
Was he happy with the discovery?
Yes, I was. And I am. And thankful too, because so few people actually get to discover things.
Scientists believe that black holes are often created, but to see it happen is extremely rare. Kim Weaver is an astrophysicist. Last year, she and other scientists announced that Johnson's supernova was probably the birth of a black hole.
We want to watch how this system evolves and changes in its youthful stages, from when it's first born to when it goes into a child and a teenager.
Some astronomers dismiss the work of what they call citizen scientists, but Weaver says these amateur astronomers do put thousands more eyes on the universe.
They don't have access to the large telescopes that professionals have access to, but what they can do is they have freedom to be able to use smaller telescopes anytime they want to look all over the sky.
Carolyn Moore and her father are amateur astronomers.
This was the first telescope that I had ever got.
The Moores made an observatory behind their home in New York State. Carolyn made a major discovery 2 years ago when she was only 14. She studied hundreds of images with a computer as part of a search team.
I discovered the least luminous supernova ever to be observed, which is, and I'm the youngest person to discover a supernova, so it kind of makes it a double interesting thing.
Back in Maryland, Gus Johnson observes fresh fallen snow and an ice-covered lake. There is something almost sad about his intense love of the environment. Was he looking for a supernova that night long ago?
Nope, it was entirely accidental. Kind of the grand realities of existence. The Earth and everything we know is such a minute part of the whole universe. Watching the creation of God, that's pretty spectacular.
I'm Christopher Cruz.